13, you're in.
At sa sexy nila, no?
Oh, diba? Venezuela siya doon. Very Venezuela.
Oo.
Oh, next, you are in. Candidate number.
Candidate number 12!
Semi-finalists, and now for our fourth spot, you are in. Huwag ka nang kabahan dahil pasok ka. Candidate number 8.
Sundan mo na si candidate number 8 because you are part of the top 10. Candidate number... When you say it's parallel for the crown. Candidate number 11, you're in. You are also part of the top 10 semi-finalists. Candidate number 1, you're in.
1. Candidate number 10!
Candidate number 3.
Joining them is candidate number. I've heard it right. Candidate number 7, you're in.
Pasok ka na rin para kumpletuhin ang ating top 10. Candidate number 6.
But wait, there is more. We were not going to move on with the next stand-up competition without our Social Media Choice Award. And she is truly a wild card. You are also into our top 11 candidate number. Sila Sigano Bayan. It's candidate number 4. You're in.
Hindi ba naman siya sure?
Congratulations sa ating top 11 candidates.
Thank you so much, ladies. To those who didn't make it, maraming salamat for joining. Nun yung dalawa. Wala pa, hindi pa nakapasok. Papasok din yan.
Ginoo ko, wala yabi.
Ha? Ay,
Wala
giatay.
susi yung van.
Wala siya.
Tulog ang driver. Very exciting to.
Bakit?
Kasi, syempre, huling tapatan na to di ba?
Oo, bubugan na to. Puksaan na.
So, ang mananalo dito, hindi ka na magpapasa ng corona.
Alam mo, partner, yung mananalo dito talagang bukod sa napakaganda ng prizes na ibibigay natin. Meron pang trip.
Trip.
Bad trip.
Trip na. Meron, ang mananalo dito, will receive a very, very prestigious.
Ano yung, wow, very, very.
Very, very, like, you know.
May sakit pa siya na very, very.
Very, very, kakapanganak lang.
Oo. Ano ibibigay niya? Ano yung ano?
1 week stay.
Saan? Sa
Dito
inubuan
sa
ba yan?
palengke. Sa palengke.
Sa palengke?
Oo. Bahala siya magbaligya diha.
Ikot-ikot na lang siya. Oo.
Okay na daw.
Alright, so... Ano ba title nitong contest natin?
Gandang
Becky as a milestone. What one thing that you can utilize from that vulnerability, yung maligning moments that you've been through, yung mga challenges na kinaharap mo bilang bakla, mga experiences mo na mag-discover or magka-catapult into milestone mo or magkakatapult siya sa legacy mo as Becky, Gandang Becky, 2024?
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. Well, one thing that I will use to change that what I've been in those circumstances that I've been taken in my life is that leadership. As we all know, I am a student leader in my institution. I am part of the Supreme Student Council this academic year 2024-2025. And with that, I conquer a lot of bullying, discrimination, despite from my gender. But all in all, I use that platform to change what the perspective that they can see with us. Those transgender women, those LGBTQIA+ that have not, that been voice of the voice, that been voiceless despite from everything. And with that, I conquer everything with my colleagues that I implemented to have our to have the preferred institutional uniform on my institution. And with that, that would be the proudest moments that I've been taken in all my life. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. So for her, the challenge.
Nervous.
How does it feel that you are part of the top 3, the final?
Nervous but feeling thankful.
You're thankful. Okay, here's your question. From all the challenges as being gay, no, yung mga panlalait, pangmumutya, pamamahiya ng mga tao sa lipunan sa iyo bilang gumalaking Becky, ano yung pinakamasakit na bahagi ng buhay mo? What's the most vulnerable part of your life that you will use to create milestone or to create your legacy to Gandang Becky 2024?
Thank you for that question. Once again, good evening, folks. So I believe that the beauty transcends appearance. It lies in the strength of the character, the kindness of heart, and the power of purpose. As a proud member of LGBTQIA+, I carry with the stories of love, acceptance, and advocacy for equality. Through this legacy of Gandang Becky 2024, I aspire to inspire individuals to embrace their authentic selves, foster inclusivity, and celebrate diversity. Together, let us break these barriers and create this world where no one unique way. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much.
Wala ko naintindihan. Basta yun.
Well, the beauty of diversity. Oo. So, yun yung isa sa masakit na bahagi ng buhay niya. The beauty of diversity. That butterfly, but 3 of us were sweating like a pig at the moment.
Oo, ako buhaya.
Napakainit. Kasi nakakot ako siya.
Lalabas na.
Lalabas na.
Andyan na yung ulo.
Alright, here's your final question, candidate number 10. With all the challenges, difficulties, frustrations, and humiliations that being gay, no, na binibigay sa'yo, mula pagkabata, kinukutsa ka, pinapahiya ka, inaalipusta ka, marami kang naririnig ng mga salita. Upon or to catapult a milestone of you here in Gandang Becky. Ano yung bahagi na yun na gagamitin mo to create a legacy, a milestone in Gandang Becky 2024?
Thank you so much. The only legacy that I can give to the people of Lower Hasaan, most especially to the LGBT community of Lower Hasaan, is you have to be yourself. Don't listen to those people. I have been experiencing a lot of challenges in life. Just like the Kawayan, I have been experiencing a lot of storms in my life. I've been being discriminated, bullied, rejected by other people. But what I did is I just listened to them. I keep ignoring them and I make those negativity as an inspiration. That's why I am here. I am here standing in front of you, showing my confidence, my beauty, and my talent. And my message to those young members of LGBTQIA+, who is struggling and aiming for those acceptance is, you don't need to be ashamed of who and what you are. Listen to yourself and be proud to yourself, because I tell you, at the end of the day, you're gonna be happy, proud, and loud to yourself. Daghang salamat ug may gabi ka natin tanan.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10.
Thank you so much. Very well said.
Alam mo, thank you, partner.